Hello guys. Good morning. Anyway, I woke up this morning around 5 o'clock. So I start working on my garden for a couple hours. I just got done. Ito guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung lininis ko kaninang umaga. Alas 5 pa lang gising na ako. I start working here in my garden guys. So ito ang lininis ko. You know, it's a lot of work. On just on a weekend, I work here in my garden all the time. If I'm not working. So I did working hard there. Look what I did this morning. See? Diba? Napakalinis niya. Oh. Ito pala guys. Ito eggplant to eh. This is a Philippines eggplant. Oh. Pag ito bumunga to eh. O yung ano sa atin, eggplant to sa Pilipinas. Ano to, 5 yata. May 5 akong tanim na Philippines eggplant yan. And this is lemongrass. O yan. May pandan din ako. O yan. Ito yung mga tanim ko. Tapos ito. Yeah, this is zucchini. Ayan oh. Mayroon siyang bulaklak. Ito oh. Oh. Namumulaklak na siya. Tapos ito. Yeah, I got 2 zucchini. Ayan, 2. Oh. Ayan yung zucchini ko. Yeah, I got 2 of them zucchini. And this is cucumbers. And the Philippines pipino. I got 2 pipino. Ito oh. Yes, 2 of them. Cucumbers. Ayan. I got 2. So, and this one, I think this one is a Chinese eggplant. Yeah, I got 1 Chinese eggplant. It's kind of like a long, you know, really long eggplant. So I got 1. So got 1 Chinese eggplant, and so I got 4. I think I got 4 Philippines eggplant, and this is this is another eggplant, Philippines eggplant. I think I got 4 of them Philippines eggplant. So now you see what I did this morning around 5 o'clock. I clean up this area. I keep cleaning this. So, and this is I think sweet banana hot pepper. Yeah, this is a sweet banana hot pepper. I got 1. So, and this one, bell pepper. So I got 1 bell pepper. That's the only thing I need. Just 1. And this one is tomato. I got 2 tomato here. So it's starting to get big. So maybe next month on July, maybe he get too tall. So I got 1 tomato, and it's another tomato. I got 2 of them tomato. So I got 2 of them right there. See, it's popped now. I got 2 tomatoes popping. It's popping. So, may bunga siya, guys. Yung kamatis, 'di ba sa atin? Kung tawagin ba yung tomato, 'di ba, kamatis. So, yan, may bunga na siya, o, 2. Oh. See? Wait next month and then he will get tall. Yan. See? Oh. 'Di ba? Anong say mo? Oh, malinis siya. Ganito ako pa nagtatrabaho ako dito sa garden ko ng weekend. Off ko ng Saturday saka Sunday. I'm working hard there. always working hard. And this one, I think this is in the Philippines they call a sitaw, but here in US they call long beans, like espargo. So they climb in and whenever getting too tall, like in summer, they climb in that, you know. And I think Daggy did put the pinch for climbing up my long beans. Yeah, you have to be climbing at this. So whenever getting too tall, it's not on the ground, you know. So Doug put this, the pinch. Yeah. And this one too. Yep, the cucumbers got a pinch too. See? So it's not on the ground. Yeah, I think it's better, you know, put on a pinch so they can climb in that, you know, or like live, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Lagi ako dito pagka weekends ko, guys. I keep my gardens clean all the time. I just don't want to growing weed, you know what I mean? I don't like weed in my garden, so I keep this clean all the time. So I just let you know, guys, this is what I'm doing on a weekend on my day off. So probably next month they're gonna go start getting bigger, and then I will take a video again, you know, to show you guys. So, diba, guys, napakalinis niya, no? Oo, ganito ako pa nag-garden ako. Every year, you know, I always put on my garden, just a small one, not big, you know, just small one, just me and Doug anyway. So we get a fresh vegetable, you know, so I don't have to go to the supermarket getting an eggplant and green beans, tomato, you know, cucumbers and zucchini, you know. So I growing up, you know, I like growing on my own, you know, on vegetable, you know. So ito lang pinakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha. Ayan ang ginagawa ko talaga pag weekend ko, yan. Oh, di ba? Oh. Dito ako nagwo-work sa garden ko. Tapos, yeah. Ito na. Oh, my banana tree. You see this? Yeah, it's getting too tall. Ayan. Next month, he will tall too, you know. Yeah. Yeah, last week I did work here too last week because I weenie under in a tree in a banana, you know. I did win in under the tree. So I don't like, you know, grass, you know. I keep this clean too, the banana tree, you know. So, paalala ko lang guys, ito, walang bunga to ha. Yung para lang dito yan, decoration ba? Kasi hindi naman pwede dito bumunga talaga ng saging katulad sa atin, di ba? Yeah. Parang ano lang siya, yeah. It's real banana tree, yeah. So, yan. It's getting too tall. Next month, they will be tall, you know. So, yeah. Gustong gusto ko dito talaga mag-work talaga sa ano ko, no, sa garden ko pagka weekend. Kasi gusto ko may nagagawa ba ako para naman hindi ako maboard, 'di ba? Kaya ayan, binidyohan ko guys para makita ninyo talaga. Well, guys, hanggang dito na lang ang video ko ha. Yun lang, pinakita ko sa inyo guys yung ano ko talaga, yung garden ko. So, para alam nyo, ayun, medyo lumalaki-laki na siya. Kasi nung couple weeks ago, di ba, nakita ko maliit pa siya. Ngayon, palaki na siya. Dumadami na yung mga dahon. Kaya naisip ko na i-vlog ko siya. Pagka bumunga na siya, ipapakita ko sa inyo, iba-vlog ko ulit siya. Sana hindi kayo magsawa sa video ko ha. I-support nyo yung video ko guys ha. Yeah. Don't forget, hit like or subscribe. Thank you guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.